Hey, my name is Jeff Wright. I'm the channel account manager here at Samlex. I handle the Lordco account and the fleet industry for Samlex. I'm really looking forward to this show to meet all the Lordco employees and how I can dive deeper into each of their stores. I'm also looking forward to meeting all the customers that they deal with from a business-to-business aspect.
Hi, my name's Chris and I run the Smithers Lordco store since July. I've been a counterman there for 5 years and I've been lucky enough to enjoy the products of Samlex from my customers that I've always been very impressed with it. I've had an excellent relationship with their head office. Their staff, when I phone there, is always extremely knowledgeable. It's been a win-win situation for both of us. It's a superior product to just about anything else out there at these price points.